One of the things that I hate cleaning as a house cleaner is the garbage disposal. Nonetheless, it is one of the most important places to clean if you have a stench coming from your kitchen. A lot of the time, a lot of people forget to clean this part, and a lot of food debris gets stuck in there from all the food that we are consuming, which is the main factor of a lot of the smell coming from your kitchen. I've seen a lot of hacks out there to clean the garbage disposal itself, but people forget to mention that you also do have to clean the flaps. It is the stop guard for when the garbage disposal is on, and if yours come off, take it fully off and clean it. So how often are you cleaning it? The biggest advice I can give you as a house cleaner is to invest in tools. The right tools can cut your job time in half. Take, for example, these two Swiffers. One is the original version and one is the new XL version. With the XL, I only had to do one pass versus the old version where I had to do 2 swipes. Same thing with their dusters. By the way, don't forget to fluff them, but if you just have their original handheld duster, you'd have to get a ladder if you wanted to dust things like the ceiling fan or even on top of cabinets. But if you have their extended version, you don't need a ladder, allowing you to finish that much faster. So, will you be investing in the right tools?
As a housekeeper, it is not my job to judge. My job is to focus on how I can use my skills to create cleanliness and peace in my clients' homes. After 6 years of cleaning houses, nothing surprises me anymore. I have seen it all. I don't judge because you never know what someone is going through or what their everyday struggles are. If you are someone who struggles with keeping your home in order, here are a couple tips. Tip 1, clean just one room at a time. It is easy to become overwhelmed when you are trying to clean your entire house. Write down just one room for each day. Tip 2, always start cleaning a room by throwing away trash and picking things up off the floor. When a room is decluttered, it is easier to focus on just one task. Complete one task at a time from start to finish. For example, in this bathroom, I cleaned the entire shower, and then the tub, and then the vanity. If you jump from task to task, you can easily get sidetracked. Tip number 4, it is okay to take a break. Cleaning is exhausting, so grab some water and take a break as needed. Find a place for everything. It is so much easier to clean your home when everything has a place. If there is not enough space for everything you own, this means you need to get rid of some things. And the last tip, this will help you keep your space tidy. Don't set it down. Put it away. If you practice this rule, it will make a huge difference.